Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Today I'm going to tell you one important tool of YouTube that is free. So you can see this, that is YouTube. So you just need to click there. So you can see a lot of things like text extractor. Okay, so you can paste your video link here. Let me show you from any one of my video. Let me just show it to you. So we just need to share video and copy link and coming here and then go. Okay, here you can see some good tags based on your video, so we can copy all, we can copy whatever you have selected. If you have selected some tags, then you can copy selected. Okay, other than this, what else you can do is keyword suggestions. That were tags, here you can use keyword, right? You can just put one LinkedIn business page. Okay, and then you can search it. Here you can see the volume and competition based on the keyword, so you can see it right here. Okay, so you can see other keywords: LinkedIn company page, LinkedIn business page. Also you can look for hashtags and like grow your channel. For this we need to like, that is like, say, organic, inorganic reach, where you need to pay something, and based on that they will help you to grow your channel. So it's like just like the way we used to get subscriber likes, like there are people who used to buy subscriber likes, like on video, on reels, on their content, on and followers on their page. So just like the same, it's that way. So other than this, I will share one important thing, feature that I really like in this. So when it comes to grow your channel, so it's not something that YouTube is providing, it's a kind of ad that they have inbuilt in. It's like that link building inside this. So when you click on grow on, say like grow on channel is a separate tool, just that they have ran this ad on YouTube. So let me tell you about AI content generator also. Here you need to just write any topic. Suppose if I want to write top 25 marketing AI tools, okay, and then I will be searching for it. Here you can see title, description, everything. So description, keywords, video script, keywords, then video script, then one voiceover. It's just like the same when we used to get such kind of results from vidIQ. I have shared a few videos based on vidIQ AI generator, so it's like the same. And if you don't have vidIQ Pro, so this is an amazing alternate version of like, say, vidIQ Pro. So even I can make a video based on the result getting from vidIQ Pro on the same title, and the result getting from this YouTube's. So, and you will also get some thumbnails. So I would suggest, like, these thumbnail would be too plain, just like laptop or AI generated tool. So it should be something like AI or marketing kind of thing. But I would suggest you, if you really want a good thumbnail, so go for Canva or any other app where you can put the title also. So put the title, add some elements, make it a few, like make it a bit catchy by using a few elements. So that would be truly attractive for the viewers who are willing to watch, or who are willing to look for that particular topic, and they are finally landing up to your video. So make sure that your video is engaging enough from the very beginning, and it's informative. Maybe it's not at all up to the mark, but at least it is informative. So even if you are listening to this video, so whatever I have shared, so I don't waste a lot of time. I just directly come to the like main topic, and yeah, it would be like informative and worth watching. So if you are conveying 4 to 5 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes to me, to my video, so I won't let these like minutes go in waste. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.